So you want to rank higher and to optimize the titles of your e-commerce products. With EasyChannel you can do it in one click to eBay, Amazon, Shopify and more. And all of this you can start for free today. Let's jump into it. So first, let's visit EasyChannel website and click on the Get Started for Free, Sign Up, or if you have account, login, and I will quickly log into my account. After you enter easychannel.com, just head to your listing section. Here you can see all of your products. For example, I will use eBay. Then we can select our products, for example, and select bulk action, among other useful bulk action here like price change, GPSR and more. We can go here to the AI section and generate AI item title. I would like to generate only the item title for now. So I clicked generate with AI. So the system just finished, and now you can see you have the AI action approval. So here are the suggestions that the AI made in the item title. For example, you can see that the original title was here very unrealistic and not correct at all, and here the AI understood the part and all the data because it was added during the prompt of the AI generation titles. So the next step, select all of our item, and then you can do a bulk action, bulk approve. Once done, all of the changes will be intact and you can apply the action to your store. Once done, all of your titles are optimized, and you can do it also for Etsy, Amazon, Shopify and more. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to stay updated on everything that we do here on EasyChannel, where we make multi-channel e-commerce easy.